Hello, and welcome to Name's 3 Days Weather Forecast. I'm Olubi Adedamola. I begin by giving us a picture of what we expect on Wednesday afternoon over the country, as we have some developing deep convective systems over part of the northwest of the country into part of the central and some part of the south of the country as well. This is likely to give some activities of heavy thunderstorms with strong winds over part of Plateau, part of Abuja, Kaduna, and also part of Nasarawa as we beckon on the afternoon on Wednesday. The highlight of this event puts most areas in the country under thunderstorms, extending to part of the southwest coast, areas around the Ijebu-Ode, Lagos, and also part of the Niger Delta of Yenogua, and part of the southeast coast of Port Harcourt, Uyo, and Eket as well are likely to experience some thunderstorms. Temperatures are likely to range within 37 to 39 degrees Celsius over the northeast, while that should also hold over areas in the northwest, with cities like Sokoto, Guzo, and Zamfara reporting temperature around 36 degrees Celsius. Abuja is likely to have a temperature of 33 degrees Celsius, while most cities in the southwest will report temperature around 32 34 degrees Celsius. The southeast coast will also have temperatures ranging within 30 to 33 degrees Celsius over cities in these areas. We expect Thursday to also start with some cloudy conditions in most parts of the country, but by afternoon, there are activities of thunderstorms expected over part of Katsina and part of Sokoto, part of Plateau, and also some part of Abuja and Kogi, and also the coastal areas and the inland areas of the south. I also like to experience thunderstorms in the afternoon hours. We expect activities of weather to be quite rampant in the next 3 days over the country, with high levels of rainfall expected to be reported in most cities. We expect temperatures around the country to range within 37 to 39 over the northeast, while that of the northwest will range within 36 to 37 degrees Celsius over cities like Sokoto and Guzo. Around Abuja, Nasarawa, and the Plateau, we expect temperatures to range within 28 to 32 degrees Celsius, while the south will have temperature drop in the inland areas to about 31 degrees Celsius over parts of Akure and Ibadan, while the coastal areas will still maintain temperatures around 32 degrees Celsius. The southeast coast will have temperature around 31 to 33 degrees Celsius over places like Port Harcourt, Yenogua, Owerri, and also part of Onitsha. We expect Friday to also start with some good weather in the morning hours, but we expect rampaging thunderstorms, widespread activities over part of the northeast of the country to the northwest of the country, although it may be isolated in some places. We expect this to also extend to part of the Plateau and also part of Abuja, part of Niger, the inland of the southwest and the coast of the southwest and that of the southeast are also likely to experience some widespread thunderstorms on Friday. We expect temperatures to drop as a result of this over the northeast to about 33 degrees Celsius over Maiduguri, while that of the northwest will also drop to about 36 degrees Celsius over Guzo and 35 over Katsina. Abuja will also have temperature drop to around 31 degrees Celsius, while part of the inland and the coast of the southwest will report 31 degrees Celsius mostly, while that of the southeast will also range within 31 degrees Celsius over Owerri to about 31 degrees Celsius over part of Port Harcourt and environs. And that's where we leave you for this event of our 3 days weather forecast. In the next 48 hours, we'll issue you updates. Please do join us on our social media platform and also try to download our NIMET app on the Play Store, as the need may arise to help you guide your activities of farming in this month of June. And that's where I leave you for this 3 days weather forecast. Thank you for watching.